Hi everyone, my name is Niad Kapti. I'm the Curriculum Manager for the Construction Department here at Barnet and Southgate College. You're here today at the Colindale campus. We are situated in the heart of Colindale. We have great transport links. We have the Northern Line underground station. We also have buses that stop right outside the college. Let's go inside and show you the facilities. So here we are now. We're inside the college in the Construction Department. We've got the carpentry section down there that we'll look at in a moment, but we've got our brickyard here on the right hand side, and we're going to go in here first. We are in the brickyard at the moment. We run a variety of courses here. So we run our level 1 diploma in brick, and we run a new level 2 diploma in brick as well. So it's a progression route from level 1 to level 2. You can see here, when you do enroll with us, we do use appropriate equipment and apparatus for you to make sure that you can successfully pass your course. The tutors that you have here will be supportive, they will help you, and they will also help you get into the trade business as well if you wish to go into that direction. If we just slowly walk over to this section over here, you can see an example of work that we sort of produced. This was done at level 1, which is just about a simple insulation wall that we have to put together, which is part of your assessment, and it's a variety of practical and theory exams that you'll complete for level 1, level 2 brick. You'll be working with different types of bricks. So here we've got our breeze blocks that you'll use, and you'll chop and shape these into the shapes that you need and desire for your wall. We've also got the London yellow bricks as well that we use for the outside of your walls going forward. This is where you'll be creating your sand-based mortar. The reason why we use this is because it's reusable for you. So when you're doing your different assessments, it's something that we can reuse, and you get to the practice of how these are created in the industry. We've got our plastering section. This is part of our level 1 multi-skills. So within that you have brickwork, you have carpentry, and you have plastering skills that you'll learn at level 1 multi-skills. So this is just one small element that you will get from level 1, will then allow you to progress to either level 2 brick or level 2 plumbing as well, depending on where your progression route wants to go. Okay guys, so now we're in the carpentry workshop. So I'm just going to show you some elements that we got in here. So on this station over here, you can see some of the work that the students have produced. This is at level 1, so we're talking about creating joints, and we're talking about creating frames at level 1. When you then progress onto that, you'll then be using these type of apparatus and tools to be creating these structures. From that point, we go to level 2s. You'll be looking at door frames and structures and creating them. From your level 2 journey, you'll move on and you create more complicated or more complex structures. So here you can see we have a roof structure, okay, that our student has created, and then further down here, if you are very advanced, you'll then be creating things like staircases and the balusters that go with it as well. Okay, so now we're in one of 3 of our plumbing workshops here on Colindale campus. So here we offer a level 1, a level 2 and a level 3 plumbing course. You'll cover certain areas such as plumbing domestically within your normal house. You also look at boilers, as you can see behind me, and you look at bathroom assessments and also how hot and cold water taps operate within your normal house. So here we are now in our gas training workshop. We have a variety of courses on our website that you can enroll onto for September 2021 start. Where one that stands out for us is a gas utilisation hot and cold water course, and in here is where you do your assessments and development. That's the end of our tour here on the Colindale campus of our construction department. I really hope you've been impressed with the facilities that we have here on site. Please go to our website www.barnettsouthgate.ac.uk for our full list of courses which conduct full-time and part-time, and all our courses will suit your needs. I look forward to seeing you in the near future.